today I'm going to share with you two delicious dishes. First, I'm going to show you how to make this creamy crab pasta salad and these divine deviled eggs. Both are perfect for Easter. First up, we have the pasta salad. To my stove, I've added a pot of water and I'm going to salt it just a bit and then bring it to a boil. While that's on the stove, I am going to chop the vegetables. And for this pasta salad, I'm just using a combination of celery and I'm also using red onions. These are going to give a nice crunch and brightness. And the difference in texture is important too. You have the creaminess of the dressing, the softness of the crab, the pasta still has a little bit of bite, and then the vegetables, those are going to add a nice texture and crunch. I have a slap chop and sometimes I use that to dice my onions, but I wanted to show you guys the technique I use whenever I'm using a knife because I don't always want to just wash an extra piece of equipment just simply to cut an onion. And this works just as well. Now that the water has come to a boil, I'm going to add the pasta. And I'm using shells, but you can always use a different shape of pasta such as macaroni or fusilli or bow ties. Then I'm going to give it a good stir, and this prevents the pasta from sticking together as it cooks. Next, I'm going to finely chop some dill. This is going to go into the dressing and this gives it a lot of flavor. Next, I'm going to add mayo to a bowl, and this is the base for the dressing. Then I'm going to add pickle juice, and my husband saved this pickle juice. I asked him what he was doing and look, here I am today using it in not one but two recipes. Next, I'm going to add some Creole seasoning, but you can also use Old Bay. Then I'm going to add dill, salt, and black pepper. And because this is a seafood dish, I'm going to add some citrus and I'm going to squeeze half of a lemon juice into the dressing. And then using my whisk, I'm just going to mix it all together. And this is a super easy dressing that has so much flavor. Once the pasta is done, I'm going to strain it. And you don't want the pasta to be too mushy, so please follow the directions on the package. Then I'm going to add the celery, the red onions, and the crab. And this is real crab meat. Some people use imitation crab. That is up to you. For this dish, I prefer to use fresh crab meat. And that is not to say that I do not eat imitation crab, because I sure do. Next, I'm going to add that dressing. And then I am just gently going to toss this all together using my spatula. And I'm just going to continue to fold it just to make sure that every piece of pasta, everything gets nicely coated with the dressing that we made. And this needs to refrigerate for about an hour at the minimum, because then the flavors just blend together and it makes it so much more flavorful. And you guys, look at that. This was just a perfect bite with all of that crab. Now it's time to get started on our deviled eggs. I've placed the eggs in water and I'm going to bring it to a boil and let it cook for about 7 minutes. While that cooks, I'm preparing an ice bath with just cold water and ice. I'm going to place the eggs into the ice bath and let it sit and cool for about 10 minutes. This makes it easier to peel. I've tried a lot of different methods when it comes to peeling eggs, because we all know about the whole horror of trying to peel an egg and the shell is just stuck to the white. And as you can see, it's fairly easy for me to peel it away. And what I find as well is just to make sure to roll that egg on the counter and get the shell nice and crushed. That helps as well. Next, I'm going to slice the eggs in half and then I'm going to remove the yolks. I'm just going to pop it out into a bowl. And I found that that is the easiest way to do it. It's harder using a spoon. You just literally just pop it out, but just do it carefully so you don't break the white. And I'm just going to use my fork to mash the egg yolks. You need it to be as fine as possible because you do want to have a nice creamy filling. Then I'm going to add mayo, mustard, hot sauce, more pickle juice, and then I'm going to stir it all together. I added salt to taste, and I also added more hot sauce. Now, I like my deviled egg to have a bit of a heat to it. I usually use Guyanese pepper sauce, but this works just as well. Now, once it's nice and creamy and smooth like this, I am going to add it to my piping bag. And as you can see, I'm using that large tip. I placed it into a cup because this is the easiest way to get the filling into that bag. And there are other ways of getting the filling into the egg whites. You can simply spoon it in, or you can place it into a bag, snip the end, and just pipe it into the egg white. I do like the little ridges and the way it looks, so I go the extra step and use the piping bag. To finish it off, I topped it with chopped parsley and a little bit of that Creole seasoning, and these were just a perfect creamy little bite. Thank you guys for joining me. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a comment below and I'll see you guys next week.